Okay, for a question like this, it is given that n is greater or equal to 4, and we need to show that n minus 3 times nc3 is equal to 4 times nc4. Basically, we're trying to prove that the right-hand side, the left-hand side, is equal to the right-hand side. The left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So how are we going to do this? We're going to use this. NCR is n factorial over n minus r factorial over r times r factorial. So basically now if I start with this, I'm going to copy this down. So n minus 3, okay, times nc3 is equal to 4 times nc4. So I have n minus 3 times, what is nc3? It's like ncr here, same thing. Okay, so basically we're saying that nc3 is equal to n factorial divided by n minus 3 factorial times r factorial. R is 3 factorial. This is r, so r is r factorial here, so 3 becomes 3 factorial over here is equal to 4 times, and this is basically the same as we did with this one. So nc4 would be then n factorial over n minus 4 factorial times 4 factorial. So now we're going to look for terms where we can cancel. What is n minus 3 factorial? You can go as far as, say, n minus 3. Remember, we want to cancel this, times n factorial divided by n minus 3 factorial is the same as n minus 3 times n minus 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial is equal to 4 times n factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial over 4 factorial. We can see that there's cancellation here. The n minus 4 factorial can cancel with this one, because when you send it on the other side, it becomes multiplied. It cancels out with this. Also, the n factorial goes into this one, n factorial goes in here 1. So this cancels out. So we're left with n minus 3. That also can cancel out. 1 cancel out here. So I am left with now 1 over 3 factorial is equal to 4 times 1 over 4 factorial. So what is this basically? Basically I'm saying that 1 over 3 factorial is equal to 4 times, what is 4 factorial? Remember, 4 factorial could also be written as 4 times 3 factorial. So basically now the 4 and the 4 cancels out. I'm left with 1 over 3 factorial is equal to 1 over 3 factorial. You can see now that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So left-hand side is equal to right-hand side. Therefore, it has been proved. So here we are. I hope it helps.